Frustrations have been building for those of you who still haven't seen a snowplow.
However, city and county officials are still asking for your patience as crews work tirelessly to clear all the roads. ABC 2's Mallory Sofaste is out there tonight. And look.
Jamie and Kelly, the people I spoke with said they knew it wasn't going to be an easy task and certainly wasn't going to be quick. But 4 days later, they also said that they felt like they were being skipped over. Now, Baltimore County government reporting yesterday that 98% of county roads had been plowed at least once, but we visited 2 different areas that still hadn't been touched. Now, those residents there told me that they tried calling, emailing, posting to social media, and that they were able to get through to someone, but their street was noted and passed along to snow crews, but no timeline was given as to when they would see someone. Now, also for the most part, these residents told me that they were patient, but they live on a street with some elderly people and individuals with disabilities, and if something were to happen, they didn't know how they'd be able to get out.
You know, if anybody needs to get out, they just can't. We just stuck.
I mean, it's been 4 days since the snow stopped. All the other streets in this neighborhood have been plowed, but ours has not. Why did they skip our street?
Now, we're happy to report that we were on this street in Lockern just a few hours ago, and nothing had been touched. But you can see the Bobcat working behind me, and there's now a clear path, and that's mostly because these residents did call and continue to report this street. So continue to do so. We have a list of those phone numbers up on our website, abc2news.com/snowstorm. Reporting in Baltimore County, Mallory Sofaste, ABC 2 News.
All right.